Hangzhou. I'm here on a little solo, I'm gonna call it a studycation because I need to write my paper. I have a lot of schoolwork to catch up on, but I also wanted to be in the mountains, out of the city. So yeah, I've come here to isolate myself and get my work done, but also have a good dose of nature. So I'll give you a little room tour. I'm in this B&B and I'm very excited because from the reviews, they have a dog. I have not yet seen the dog, but there should be a cute dog here. This is the bed. It is huge. I woke up and I was just taking out like this little section here. So you can easily fit like 3 or 4 people on here. But I have it all to myself. And then we have the entranceway, a little countertop which I've taken over at the moment. And then we have the bathroom. Anyways, the plan now is to go and get breakfast. I'm very hungry. And then I'll probably study for a little bit, go for a walk around the area and explore, come back, lunch, study a bit more, and then I want to go to the lake in the afternoon. It looks really beautiful. Also, if you see this, I dropped a container, a protein shaker, on my face in the morning. I went to go grab it from a tall shelf and I knocked it and the corner of it hit my lip and my lip instantly like swelled up. It's a lot better now, but yeah, that's what that is. A walk and exploring the local area. It's very cute. This place is literally so peaceful. Like, I'm so happy right now. It's stunning. And yeah, there are people around, but not many, so I feel like I have the place to myself. If you ever get the opportunity to come to Hangzhou, please do, because it is so peaceful. This is a very unexpected morning walk, but I'm so glad that I did it.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly.
I am just at the West Lake. I'm going to walk along the lake to a vegetarian or vegan restaurant that I found. I think it's about like a 40-minute walk, so pretty manageable. It's so busy out. I'm really hoping I didn't need a reservation. But almost there. Good morning. It is kind of a dreary and cold day in Hangzhou today, so I have been just chilling in my room and doing some work on my laptop and waiting for breakfast to start, but it started now. So I'm gonna head down and have breakfast, and then I'm gonna walk to a cafe, which is like a 20-minute walk there, have a hot matcha or something, and then walk back, shower, and then get going because I booked an early train back. So I'm catching the bullet train at 1 p.m. and it takes an hour to get back to Shanghai, and then from there I'll have to catch the train or taxi home, which is probably another hour. Yeah, I pretty much packed up everything I can, so I'll just come back and shower before I leave. Yeah, I'm sad to leave, but I've also had a really great time. One thing, I was talking to Craig last night on the phone, and then I realized it's like, I haven't been speaking English this whole time. Like, I've only been speaking Chinese, which is a weird feeling because my Chinese isn't the best. It is still, I still feel like it's very basic, and obviously the conversations I've been having have been basic, like checking into the hotel, having food, ordering food, talking to the taxi driver. It's just like very basic stuff, so it hasn't been anything crazy, but it did make me reflect on like how far I've come. Yeah, so that was nice to be like, okay, I'm making some progress, because I feel like I haven't had a lot of time to study lately, but I'm like, oh, I couldn't have done this when I first arrived in China. I couldn't have spoken as much as I have now, so progress, not perfection. Yeah. Cold enough for a beanie today. To check out and say goodbye to Hangzhou. I just wanted to quickly mention, if you're wanting to take trips, I always use trip.com. I find that they're really helpful, and if you have mainline ID, then you can use CTrip. Also the app where I find like all the restaurants and like tourist sites, I find them on Dianping. So I'll write those down in the descriptions that you can find them if you're planning on taking trips around China. And yeah, I'll talk about them more, I'm sure, in other videos to come. But yeah, those are the two apps that I mostly use when I'm traveling. So yeah, thanks again for joining me on my solo adventure to Hangzhou, and I'll see you next time. Bye.